Hi guys, how's it going? I know, I keep saying that. Hi guys, how's it going? That's the way I open the video. Anyways, good morning because it's still morning, 9 a.m. here in BC, Canada. This is just the kitchen fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe share, it is Indonesian food. It is puff tofu that I filled with chicken, ground chicken, which then I steam it. So it's rather mouthful to say, but in Indonesia we will say tahu, tahu kukus ayam. It is similar to tahu bakso, which I believe I shared the recipe long time ago. The difference is that for tahu bakso we would use tapioca starch, while for this following recipe I use cornstarch, because I wasn't aiming to make tahu bakso, but more to tahu ayam kukus. Tofu puff filled with chicken, which then I steamed. Check out the full video. I know, mouthful. And I'll see you soon again. Bye. So this is quarter cup of diced colorful baby potatoes, third cup of diced baby carrots, and then for about 3 to 4 heaping tablespoon of Chinese celery, and then this is quarter cup of green onion. We're just gonna mix this with our 1 kilogram of ground chicken. This is 1.5 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and we're gonna add sesame oil to taste, and just mix this until completely combined. And then we're gonna add cornstarch and also 2 eggs. So this is 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 whole eggs, and you just want to kind of mash or mix the eggs, and then we're gonna again mix everything until completely combined. Now that it's done, what I have is the tofu puff, and we're just gonna make incision at the center of each of them, and then we're gonna fill it with our filling like so. You can use a scissor or a knife, and now we're just gonna fill it, and there you go. Repeat step until all tofu puffs are filled like so. Now it's ready to be steamed for at least 20 minutes until chicken is cooked. You can serve this with any dipping sauce you like, or as is, or even with peanut sauce. I love it with peanut sauce. And there you go, steamed puff tofu filled with chicken.